Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Measure 500 g bread flour, 1 tsp salt, and 7 g instant yeast. Pour 300 ml lukewarm water. Why? Proper ratios give structure and rise. Mix dry ingredients first so salt won't kill yeast, then add water evenly. Use a spoon until shaggy, then switch to hands. Once cohesive, knead for 5-7 minutes. If using a mixer, 3-4 minutes on low. This develops gluten, so your rolls hold shape and get that airy crumb you want. Once the dough is smooth, place it in an oiled bowl and cover. Let it rise 45-60 minutes until roughly doubled. Why? That first fermentation builds flavor and gas. After rising, gently deflate and divide into 12 equal pieces. About 60 g each ensures uniform baking. Pre-shape into rounds and rest briefly. This relaxes the gluten so shaping is easier. Then form tight rolls by tucking seams underneath, and place them in a greased pan with 1-2 cm spacing, so they can expand and bake evenly. You proof the shaped rolls 30-40 minutes until noticeably puffy. This final rise controls texture. Then brush with egg wash or melted butter for color and shine. Bake at 200 degrees for 15-18 minutes until golden. Aim for an internal temp near 95 to 98 degrees Celsius to confirm doneness. Once out, brush again with butter for softness. Troubleshooting: if rolls are dense, underproofing. Low oven temp or low hydration are common causes, so adjust proof time, increase water slightly, or calibrate your oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.